101, Amanda here. We're in Cape Coral Marina, and I decided to come out for a flight today and watch sunset and just kind of see the marina view from a different perspective tonight. So since I was out and about, I wanted to go ahead and show you kind of what Remote Pilot 101 takes with them when they head to a shoot. So this case has become very handy. It's super convenient and it's kind of layered. So in our first layer here, we have our plugs, additional chargers, backup batteries, screwdrivers, pretty much anything you could need, mounts for the plane when we're flying with with our GoPros. And that's what we keep in the first section. In our second section here, we have our handheld radio. And we have backup batteries that go to that, as well as the chargers. We have canned air for anything that may get sand in it. We have our Mavic iPad holder for when we're flying the Mavic. It comes in handy whenever we're wanting to fly with the iPad. We have a voltmeter. And also in this section, we keep our newbie drone. And we would like to say thank you to Brennan Edwards for this, showing us the newbie drones. Jason and Office Dad had lots of fun with the newbie drones. I'm sure many of you seen that video. It's pretty comical. All right, and in our lower section here, this is where we keep our vest, and that's needed at many shoots. We're not going to use that tonight here at the shoot, but it is with us if we need it. We have our LumeCube LED lights, and so we're thankful for that partnership with LumeCube. We cannot wait for that shoot, which is upcoming. We have our Mavic Air here in Cape Coral, as well as many other drones in the office, but this is one of the ones we brought with us here to Cape Coral, as well as our Autel drone. So that's what I'm going to fly tonight, is the Autel. And I'm going to take a minute here, and I'm going to get our landing pad from Hoodman, a great friend of ours, set up and ready to fly. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get set up here. Let's see. I'm sure many of you guys have seen our landing pad in videos before. We had it out on the 2-3 Mike Zulu shoot we recently did, as well as when we're out doing some mapping projects, we've had it out there. All right, we're ready to go. I'm going to get set up here. All right, getting ready to fly here. We're going to go through our pre-flight security check. All right, and we are ready for takeoff. I'm going to step back here just a bit. All right. All right, and we're going to get ready to fly here. All right, and just so everyone knows, we did check Kitty Hawk. We are clear to fly. We're gonna enjoy the evening here in the marina, capturing these beautiful boats and buildings of Cape Coral Harbor. All right, Remote Pilot 101, I have landed, and that ends our shoot for today. We have a storm rolling in, as you just saw. Hope you enjoyed today's video here at Cape Coral Harbor Marina. Our video showing what we carry on a shoot with us, I'd love to see in the comments below what you bring on a shoot with you. What else should we add to our kit? Comment below and we'll see you next week.